On Thursday, October 5, 2023, at approximately 11:30 p.m., a lone female, later identified as 51-year-old Suzanne Laprise, entered the lobby of the Bristol Police Department. She approached the front lobby desk office windows and banged on the windows with a handgun. The front lobby desk was unoccupied at that time. The banging on the windows goes for some time until she realizes it's not worth it. After took time off, then started banging on another window. Then soon she realized it's not helping either. After banging on the windows, Laprise fired multiple rounds into the windows. The rounds did not penetrate the bullet-resistant glass. Then, soon after no response, she sat on the bench and waited for response. But she still has bullets left in her gun. Officers attempted to open a dialogue with Laprise. During these efforts, Laprise discharged additional rounds in the direction of the officers.
Brian, do not move. Do not move, Brian. Are these windows bulletproof?
Shots fired.
Officer Spencer Boisvert then returned fire, firing 2 shots. The bullet-resistant glass stopped all rounds, and no one was hit.
Are these windows bulletproof?
We got 2 cars going on to the front.
When Laprise set the handgun down, officers entered the lobby, deployed an electronic defense weapon, and took her into custody.
That's her right here, right? Laptop, yep. Get down! Get down on the ground! She yours, nope, she just went back. Okay, she just went to the right.
I have the gun in her hand right now.
Brian. Okay, go, 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 go.
Everyone good?
Yep. Good.
Bristol, get a 17. There's already guys with it.
Bristol, we got 2 cars going on.
Brian, do not move. Do not move, Brian. Are these windows bulletproof?
Shots fired.
Are these windows bulletproof?
We got 2 cars going on to the front.
That's her right here, right? Laptop, yep. Get down! Get down on the ground! She yours, man? Nope, she just went back. Get down on the ground! Okay, she just went to the right.
I have the gun in her hand right now.
Brian. Okay, go, 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 go!
Laprise was taken to Bristol Hospital for evaluation. She was later released and returned to the Bristol Police Department.